You guys, welcome back. Winter has summoned a freezing squall by decree with just a flick of her wrist, sending chills down my spine. I think I have just the perfect remedy. Today I'll be making an herbaceous fish curry noodle dish called Kanom Jeen Namya. There are many variations of this. This one uses seasoned unfiltered fish sauce for umami explosion. Let's get started. We'll need to prep some dried chilies that are mild in spice, like this guajillo chili. Cut into pieces to remove its seeds. Discard the seeds. In goes hot water. Let it sit and we'll check back in on it in 20 minutes. For protein, I'm using steamed mackerel. Feel free to use your favorite kind of white meat fish. Boiled chicken thighs will also work great. Collect all of the meat. Carefully remove any bones. Let's make namya herb paste. In goes lemongrass, galangal, shallots, garlic, set this aside first to make room for pounding other ingredients. It's been about 20 minutes and the guajillo chilies have rehydrated nicely. Let's pound it up as best as we can. In goes the fingerroot rhizome. Such an earthy, comforting, and medicinal aroma. The smell alone sends me back to my childhood. In goes this fish meat. Back in goes the rest of the pounded herbs. And combine well. Namya herb paste is done. We'll use it shortly. For toppings, I've prepared some diced cucumbers, yard-long beans, Thai basil, and red chilies. Feel free to add some other crispy and herbaceous toppings. Hard-boiled eggs also make a popular topping that adds a creamy bite. In fine rice vermicelli, use your favorite brand and cook according to the instructions on the package. I've portioned them out into serving size bundles. On medium-high heat, let's bring coconut milk to a boil. Allow it to reduce just a bit. In goes the Namya herb paste. And also red curry paste. Store-bought paste is just fine, but if you want to make red curry paste from scratch, I have a video recipe for that on my channel. I clearly overestimated the size of this pan, so I'll need to transfer it to a larger one. This one will do. On medium heat, allow the curry and herb paste to marry with the coconut milk for a bit, allowing the flavors to bloom. In goes dried red chilies for some extra heat. Torn kaffir lime leaves for vibrant flavor and aroma. In goes some water and bring to a gentle boil. Season with unfiltered fish sauce. Use your favorite brand. I also have a recipe on my channel. In goes fish sauce. And sugar to balance. Springy fish meatballs are a must. You can find them in the freezer section of your local Asian grocery store. When the fish meatballs are heated through, in goes some scallion. Allow everything to gently boil together and we're done. To assemble Kanom Jeen Namya, a few bundles of noodles, ladle over curry broth, your favorite toppings, garnish with Thai basil, chilies, and an egg. All of the pounded herbs in here have created an aromatic bite. The fingerroot rhizome definitely shines through. It's so comforting and savory to eat on this cold day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.